Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So one of Waze's signature features is seeing other drivers on the map. They appear as small car icons driving near your route. This helps you understand traffic density and road condition. It's all depends on information. So for example, if you have informations, you would know if a route is actually good or bad for you. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to see other drivers on the map in Waze, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go ahead and actually open our map. Okay, so as you see here, there is many drivers going depending on their emojis. Some are happy, some are sad. It actually depends on them whatsoever. So by opening the map, Waze would show you other drivers automatically while you are navigating. Other drivers appear as small car icons on the map. You should then understand what the icons mean. These icons show the location of other Wiz users. However, they are not real time, so the icons update periodically, and there can be a delay of several minutes between updates. You might see a car icon sitting still, drive past it, and then see it appear ahead of you again when it updates. So this to prevent multiple accidents and all of this. You should also know where the data comes from. Waze's data is increasingly integrated with Google Maps. If you are using Google Maps on Android Auto, you will also see reports from Waze drivers. This includes police reports, accidents, and other incidents tagged by the Waze community. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.